katika mipango hapa na kule katika kuhakikisha kwamba tumefanikisha shughuli hii ama michezo hii.
The best talents that will be spotted during these KISA Games will be invited for a national talent camp at the academy in Kasarani.
I know there are very good teams here, and I would like to wish the best team to take the trophy home. At the end of the day, I would like all of you to be winners, because the most important thing is not just to play and win, but to enjoy yourselves.
The only way we can cure the menace of drugs and other things that are derailing our youth is to make them participate in these games, is to get them involved, and at the end of the day, Waziri, as you say, hii talanta itaweka pesa mfukoni.